करना पड़ेगा. You will have to check those configurations. अभी एक और बार दिखाता हूँ. कल क्लास के एंड में दिखाया था एक बार. So check it and test it and tell me the results. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Material management, purchasing,
Source listing.
source
Source
list.
list.
You have only two configurations. Yes or
Yes.
no? Yeah.
So source list.
या बॉडी आप क्लोज कर दो. अभी बॉडी नहीं चाहिए. बिजनेस आइडिया यू कैन लीव इट राइट एज ऑफ नाउ. So define source list requirement at plant level. What this particular setting does and what this particular setting does. So with results you tell me. Okay. The test भी करना चाहिए आपको. Not just configuration. Configuration के बाद implication on PR and PO. Next, source determination. You have four. Define regular supplier, supply region, assign the plant to supply region and set up the determination of supplying plant via availability check. So you can
Sir,
see the
ये
fourth setting. Yeah, go tell me.
तीनों सेटिंग हो गया है सर. फर्स्ट 3 हो गया है. लास्ट वाला सेटिंग नहीं हुआ है.
लास्ट वाला सेटिंग अभी छोड़ सकते हो. वो अवेलेबिलिटी चेक वाला टॉपिक हो जाएगा. उसके बाद में करेंगे इन्वेंट्री में. ओके. यस. देन व्हाट अबाउट PIR?
PIR नहीं हुआ है सर. PIR करना पड़ेगा.
PIR define number ranges. ये है आपका नंबर रेंजेस. आप इधर चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ये प्रैक्टिस सर्वर में चेंज नहीं होगा PIR का नंबर रेंज. और प्रोडक्शन सर्वर में चेंज होगा. ये कर सकते हैं. पर अभी PIR we have four kind of PIR, right? So for four kind of PIR you have four different number ranges. So this setting you have. Apart from this, what we have again, screen layout. M11, double click on this. You will see the field selection key. You can simply go to that particular key and make the entry, required entry, optional entry and display. Okay. Suppress नहीं कर सकते PIR में किसी field को. So this is what about the screen layout of the PIR. And then text information, text not text of PIR. Define text. एक क्रॉस क्लाइंट है. इधर आप परचेज इन्फो रिकॉर्ड नोट एंड परचेज ऑर्डर टेक्स्ट. देयर आर टू टेक्स्ट ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है. यू कैनॉट ऐड.
सर रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है. यू कैनॉट ऐड एनी मोर. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है. ओके. आप इधर एक्स्ट्रा टेक्स्ट ऐड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये सिस्टम में प्रैक्टिस सिस्टम में नहीं अलो है. सो देन डिफाइन कॉपी रूल. अगेन यू कैनॉट ऐड अ न्यू कॉपी रूल. You can leave these configurations as of now. So define text and define copying rule you can leave. Next, maintain inspection certificate category. What Weber?
No sir.
Okay. Maintain inspection certificate category. Again, if you have any certificate category you can add here. Otherwise no need to add. Again, do not have any implication over other part of the material management. You can simply leave. Price history. Define price history. Effective purchase price history in the order price history. इधर check करना पड़ेगा आपके purchase organization के लिए. So whenever you check this box, the PO price history will be updated automatically in the purchase info record. So this configuration आपको करना चाहिए and you have to know what is the implication on the system. So then maintain search help. Again, you can leave the search help. No need of any exploration on this particular thing. यह website का है. Data dictionary आ गया है इसमें. You can simply leave out. So this is about the PIR. Now yesterday we are discussing about PIR without material master record. I hope that is clear. I will not get into that again. चाहिए क्या अभी? Shall I explain that once again?
Yes, sir.
Without material master record, आपको मटेरियल नंबर नहीं देना है. Just 2 minutes. ಹಲೋ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ATM ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, CBI ATM, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ATM. ಹಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ದಾಟಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಸೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್ ನಾ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ದಾಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಪಾತ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ
ಹಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಸಂದಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರೀ. ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಸೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ, 3rd floor 303 ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾ. Okay, guys. Sorry. Yeah, who will explain now? Material master record. Without material master record, I want purchase info record. You can share the screen and explain. Come on, yesterday before the power gone, I have explained this. I have started explaining about that. Come on, who will do it, yeah?
Sir, the procedure I know, sir, but I can't share the system.
Okay. Can you guide me on my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay.
Sir, ME11.
M11.
Sir, we have,
Okay,
yes,
supplier.
sir, we have to, yes, supply we have to enter,
Then.
and then the purchase organization,
Okay.
then plant,
Okay.
sir, enter.
Now.
Okay. And we have to select the material group we have to choose.
Okay. What about short text? Just a minute.
Yes. Cool, go outside. Okay, yes, okay.
Yes. Okay. Now, what about info record text or description?
Yes, sir, we can enter anything, sir.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
3
6.
AR without MM. Yeah. Material group.
So,
That's a compulsory
so
thing. You need to provide material group. Then.
Yes, sir.
Order unit.
So then order unit and then sort key.
Yes. Order unit, then sort key. Bus. Then standard quantity, this is like normal PIR, in the normal PIR also, these are compulsory: planned delivery time, standard quantity, and the net price.
Net
Okay?
cost, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to planned delivery time and then standard quantity and then net price. Then check the conditions. Yeah, purchase group is also compulsory.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you have any quotation, you can maintain. Otherwise, you can leave. Click on
Blank, sir.
conditions. Click on conditions. Like it should be pulled here, right? 1015 has got defined its own condition record. It is not pulling anything. So, what is the work of this conditions tab? Can we maintain
So
separate
the
conditions here? Pricing
yes, sir,
condition,
we
can we
can
maintain
maintain.
separately?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, now I want to add cash discount. Then how can I add? Okay, I'm giving plant. Then what is this? Info record category, it is standard. So you need to provide that as well. So select 0, 0 is for standard, 2 is for consignment, 3 is for subcontracting, and P is for pipeline, and 1 is for chargeable. So let's go for standard, and the amount, I want to add amount. See, this is very important part, guys. The create gross condition, you are creating for the condition type PB double zero. Can you see at the top? Create gross price condition PB double zero. Where did you saw this? Where have you seen this PB double zero?
So vendor master.
Huh?
So
Purchase
vendor
order,
master.
right?
No.
Per unit, EA, and then expand this calculation type. So percentage, fixed amount, quantity, gross weight, all these are the calculation types. Okay, you can select any one. I told you to add the discount, right? So
Sure.
discount is in the form of value or percentage?
Percentage.
Yes,
Percentage.
percentage.
So I have selected A. A is for percentage. Now check the validity or give the validity. So that particular condition, the second condition is valid till that date. That's it. Not more than that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now terms of payment. If we have any, you can select terms of payment as well. Where it is coming from? Terms of payment. From where it is pulled into the PIR.
The vendor master.
Yes,
Yes,
vendor master.
vendor master.
Yes. What about fixed value date? Fixed value
So vendor
date.
master. Yeah, vendor master.
Yes. Now save this. This is how we maintain the pricing condition PB double zero only, not any other condition type. Okay. Now save. Press enter. The PR has been created. PIR has been created. Okay. So this is how you maintain a PIR for non-stock material. Conditions procedure is same for everything. Okay, just explore with material master. Do you have any changes in the condition maintenance in the PIR? Okay, any doubts regarding PIR? With this, we have completed the PIR. Do we have any doubts in the PIR?
No, sir.
ये बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार आज nobody is talking.
Sir.
Yeah, what?
Please wait 1 second.
What just?
Can can you please create PIR once again, sir?
Yeah, I can. I will create PIR for once again. Okay. Now, Josh, you tell me your organization. We will create it for your organization. Do you have vendor, right? You have vendor?
No, sir. No. Please create with your vendor, sir.
1015 material. I am not
Sir, can I
giving any
create?
material number. Info record can be changed here. Yes, Vaibhav?
Can I create, sir?
Yeah, you can create. You can create. Yeah, share your screen and create.
Able to screen
Yeah,
share the
visible,
screen,
visible.
sir?
Yes, visible.
Okay.
From
Okay.
M11. Just come out of this from M11.
That is my vendor.
Okay.
That is my purchase organization. That is the plant. Press enter.
Josh, pay
I am giving
attention.
description for
Yeah,
non-stop
pay
material.
attention.
Yes, I'm paying.
Yeah.
EIR for non-stop material without error.
Okay.
I enter the purchase material group,
Hmm.
something semi-finish. Uh, then enter order unit each short terms 20. Then press enter. Plan delivery 40 days.
Hmm.
Purchase organization VA1. Standard quantity I am giving 100. Minimum quantity 50. Then net price is I entered 1000. Then if any quotation, then we'll maintain in that field.
Hmm. Just quotation number reference.
Yes.
Okay. Now maintain some conditions.
Yes. Uh, I entered the plant here. Then category standard we have selected. Then I 20% INR per unit. Unit of measurement I will entered in each. Then percentage fixed amount quantity. So I am selecting quantity fixed amount. Then here I selected 200 INR valid from 31st to valid till 3 of September.
Hmm.
Then I selected payment terms.
Hmm. Select both lines you need to select.
So automatically yes,
Why
Sir,
you are adding
automatically
one
it's
more
gone.
condition?
No, sir, automatically it's gone.
Okay, do it again.
Standard 20. I have run each I'm selecting percentage
Hmm.
from due date to 3rd of June. Selecting payment terms. So the
Okay,
condition time with the same key is already being processed. So
that's
long,
okay.
see
That's okay.
long.
Warning.
Yes.
Enter. Press
Okay,
enter to
description.
bypass the
So
warning.
description is
Sir,
not required to enter.
sir, it's automatically gone when I press the enter.
Okay. Then maintain once again and press directly save.
Yes, each calculation forms percentage. Press enter now, sir.
So, save it directly.
Directly save it.
Save again. Okay. Press enter.
Condition record. So it's all
Press enter again. Yeah.
okay.
It's done now. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
Josh, clear?
Clear, sir. And just one question is just a minor doubt.
Yeah.
So PIR is created based on material type.
Material and the vendor combination. Since there is no material master record, here the PIR is created with respect to material group.
Sorry, come again, sir.
PIR here created with respect to material group. Material group is the key to come up with whenever we don't have material master record.
Okay, material group will be the key.
Yeah, material group will be the central for any documents when we don't have material master record.
Okay, sir.
If the same thing, like we want to do PR and PO, that is also allowed. Without material master record, we can create a PR and PO. Yeah, please mute yourself here. Okay. PR and PO, we can do it. There, the material text is the key. Okay, that we will discuss in PR and PO topic.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so with this, we have completed the master data. Two more master data are there, but we will be completing that or covering that in between the course. Batch management and one more we have, it is quota arrangement. So both will be covered in between. So as of now, we have completed the master data, completed master data. Okay, so material master tomorrow. Tomorrow you people have interview with respect to material master, vendor master, PIR and source list and its implication over the other processes such as PR and PO. Okay, tomorrow you will have the interview questions. Let me give some interview questions based on whatever we have completed as of now. So PAR, it's very tricky topic to understand and come up with the interview question as well. So please note down all these questions are very important and this kind of a question will come in the interview for sure. Okay. Yeah, Mayank, mute yourself. Okay. A net zero. Please note down these questions. Okay. A net price of zero is displayed in the info record. Nevertheless, a new purchase order automatically receives the price. Where does this price come from? Have you written this? A net
Sir,
price of zero.
can you repeat once again?
A net price of zero is displayed in the info record. Okay. While creating info record, क्या किया हुआ है? Zero was the net price. Okay, net price was maintained zero. But still, whenever there is a new purchase order created, purchase order automatically receives the price. Where does this price coming from? Okay, this is the first question. A net price of zero is displayed in the info record. Nevertheless, a new purchase order automatically receives the price, not zero. Whatever the price it receives, okay, it automatically receives the price. Where does this price is coming from? Then, second question. If you change the conversion factor, unit of measure in the material master, okay, if you change the conversion factor of unit of measure in the material master, why are the ratios are not adjusted in the PIR automatically? If you change the conversion factor in material master, the ratios are not adjusted in the PIR. What is the reason behind this? Say B, what this question means, I will maintain a conversion factor of unit of measure, base unit of measure, say kg to grams or something. The same ratio, whatever, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, everybody knows that, right? I maintain this particular conversion record. This ratio will not be automatically updated in the info record. What is the reason for this? So this is what the question is. Now, third question. Can we transfer? Can we transfer purchase info record via ALE IDOC? Have you written this? How can you transfer or how you can live? Can we transfer or can you transfer PIR via ALE IDOC? Clear? Next, why is it not possible to create several conditions validity period within the one transaction call? Why is it not possible to create several conditions validity period within one transaction call, either ME11 or ME12? We will not be able to maintain different validity. For that purpose only Vaibhav was getting the problem. So Vaibhav, check it and come up with the solution for this.
Sir, why is
Why?
not possible to create several
Yeah, why
conditions?
is it not possible to create several condition validity period within one transaction call? Either M11, M12. Next.
Sir,
Yeah.
please repeat once again.
Why is it not possible to create several condition validity period within one transaction call? Why is it not possible to create several condition validity period within one transaction call. Okay. Now, next, why does the system sometime fail to update the data for last purchase order into the info record, even though info record update indicator is set in the purchase order item? I will repeat. Why does the system sometimes fail to update the data for the last purchase order into the info record, even though info record update indicator is set in the purchase order item?
Sir, can you paste these questions on WhatsApp group
No,
because
I
we
will give you
can't.
the link itself. I will give you the website link itself. This is not the question I framed from. This is not my framed question. You have a website. From that, I am giving this particular questions. You have answer also, but I don't suggest you to refer the answer here. Find out the reason for all these things. If you are not able to, then I will explain in the next class. So direct answer, don't copy it. Okay, this is technically little bit more inclined and explained in a very detailed manner. That much
Sir,
detail
can you
need
repeat
it.
question 5 again?
Yeah, which one? Last question.
Question. Yes, sir.
Why does the system sometimes fail to update the data for last purchase order into info record, even though the info record update indicator is set in the purchase order item? Why does the system sometimes fail to update the data for last purchase order into info record, even though the info record indicator is set in the purchase order item? Okay.
Sir, repeat once again.
Why does the system sometimes fail to update the data for last purchase order into the info record, even though info record update indicator is set in the purchase order item? Yeah, I will give you this website itself, so you can refer every now and then. And yeah, these all the question, all five question has got little bit you need to think little bit higher. This is, you can consider these questions are second round interview question. These are not first round interview question. Okay. Okay. Next, the questions on source list. Can anybody guess what kind of a question you may get from the source list? Don't forget to bifurcate whenever you get the scenario based questions, that is for second round. Whenever you get the basic definition, transaction code, this kind of a thing, the conceptual question, that is in the first round. So first round is concentrating on concepts, second round is application of concept or the practical knowledge. Yeah, source list interview question. Can anybody give me one or two questions at least?
What is source list?
Yeah, what is source list? Yeah, tell me the answer as well. What is the usage of the source list?
Sir, it is a list for referring the something buying from vendor.
Okay, just imagine what you do in the source list and then tell the answer.
It is basically a linkage between vendor and material master.
Yeah, if I am if I want to use the single sourcing, then what solution do you suggest in the SAP system? If I am going for single sourcing scenario, then what solution do you suggest to the business users?
Well, user must be go with the purchase info record only. If we have single source.
Okay, so multiple sourcing.
For multiple sourcing, it must be update the in the source list
Okay.
ME11.
For multiple sourcing, do you suggest
No, sir. For multiple sourcing, use source list only.
use
But if
source list only? Like PIR, if I have PIR and source list together, then what happens?
it is also useful, sir.
Like
For
how it is useful? Throw some light on this.
because multiple for multiple sourcing, multiple vendor it will be involved in the sourcing list.
Okay,
But
if I want to make it the source list is compulsory. If I want to make source list compulsory for a particular valuation area, then what is the configuration step I need to follow?
sir, we need to we need to check the checkbox in material management purchasing view. I think purchasing or accounting view.
Accounting view.
Yes, accounting view.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in accounting view, we need to, I asked about the configuration step. In configuration, can we make for an evaluation area a source list as a compulsory element?
Yes, sir. There is a one checkbox available
Yes,
for compulsory source listing for
yes,
that material.
exactly. ओके नाउ या सोर्स डिटर्मिनेशन में उतना क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा सोर्स लिस्ट ओके आई हैव सोर्स लिस्ट एज वेल एज PIR then while creating PR assign source of supply function में which particular vendor will be given prominence either
Sir,
PIR
fixed vendor.
no there is no fixed vendor I don't click checkbox tick the checkbox of fixed vendor in source list I have PIR and also I have source list. Now if I go for creating a PR, then system in the assigned source of supply, the system will use the PIR vendor or will provide the choice.
So,
Yeah, check it. Okay, do test
okay, sir.
this. Then how can I generate? Can we? Is it possible to automatically generate the source list? Is it possible to automatically generate the source list, not manual maintenance through ME11, ME01?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
ME05
What is
possible.
the transaction
Basically,
code, Josh?
ME.
yes, yeah, it is possible, but I have forgotten the take out something OBY
No,
something.
no. It is ME05
ME05 is used for automatic generate source list.
generation. Okay. ME01, is it possible to generate automatic records?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the some of the question you will get when it comes to source list. Now tell me what is the table name for the PIR?